Alright, yeah, I'm gonna do an unboxing of a couple of coins from the Perth Mint. I ordered them from AppMex, which is very close to me, luckily, so I get free 2-day shipping, which is really nice. I got a little bit of gold and a little bit of silver. They do a really good job packing these. Package in the package. Get rid of that. I'm pretty excited about these. Everything I have, well, almost everything I have right now in my silver and gold stack is from the Perth Mint. I have one US piece of gold. Oh, okay. The Wonders of Australia series. 1 ounce silver round. And I need to get this out of here because one of my favorite things about this is the back of the coin. I love the design back here. Since they're usually just plain, I like having good design on both sides of the coin. I don't know if this is going to be a series or if they're just doing them this year. But if it's going to be a series, I got the first one. And then my first piece of gold from the Perth Mint. Woo! That's nice. 2026 kookaburra. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start buying these 10th ounce kookaburras every year. I really like them. All right, well that's it. And this may be a 2-part video. I think I'm about to order a couple more coins, some more like numismatic stuff instead of bullion. All right, that's it. Have a good day.